Get into a car with value. 2023 Toyota Tacoma. With less than 15,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Here's an iconic Toyota Tacoma that's ready for work or play. This midsize pickup is ready to tow or hit the trail and comes loaded with driver assistance and safety features. Rugged and capable, it's the right choice for your adventurous spirit. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, steering wheel audio controls, dual zone AC, power driver seat, electronic stability control. Feel confident on the road or trail in this capable Tacoma. Come in and take it out for a spin. We're here to make your test drive experience the best it can be.